Hello friends, come along with me. Let's draw and color Peppa Pig dressed like a firefighter. First, let's draw the shape of a firefighter's protective helmet. Peppa Pig is getting ready for action-packed adventures as a firefighter. Then, the shape of Peppa Pig's face. Next, her nose and eyes. Her cheek and lip. I'm drawing the shape of Peppa Pig's body wearing the firefighter's suit. Look, Peppa Pig have opened her eyes. Firefighters wear special clothes that are made to protect them while they work in dangerous situations. This helps them do a better job while staying safe. Let's draw her hands, her tail, then her legs and protective shoes. And now, let's add color to Peppa Pig together. Red and yellow colored for Peppa Pig's protective helmet. Peppa Pig is happy to see you today. Her cheek is pink. Peppa Pig's face is light shade of pink. Peppa Pig is donning her firefighter gear and ready to save the day. With her bright red helmet, sturdy boots, and trusty fire hose, she's on a mission to keep her community safe from fires. Her firefighter's suit are white and yellow. As a firefighter, Peppa shows bravery and courage in the face of danger. Whether she's rescuing a cat from a tree or extinguishing a blazing fire, she's always ready to leap into action to help others. Her hands, tail, and legs are light pink, colored black for her protective shoes. And there you have it. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.